It feels like I'm all alone.
Brian, I beat yo. Sometimes we're all alone, playing games before we saw each other. I wish I could see them when we're older. I wish we could, but life just is unpredictable. I miss them, but I want to see them again, but I can't. Can somebody save me away from myself? I miss them, but I'll see them when I see them. I just miss her, she wants Drakey. I'm all alone, I miss her, I'm all alone. I miss her, yeah. I'm so alone, I can't breathe without you. Yo, I forgot to say goodbye. She went without telling me. She went while sleeping. I miss her like it's not today. Miss her, yeah. I miss her, yeah. Don't take people for granted. I know you're out there looking down on me, but please come back, yeah. Yo, want to change topics? To drink this? Let's go. Drake, you took her away, yeah. We had a documentary with each other, but you took that away, yeah. I'll call chopper to preserve this on me, because I know that you are some, yeah. Drake, you're a kidnapper, taking her away from me. That wasn't very nice, Drakey. Drake, you're not like us, you're not like that. You're not into euphoria. Did you actually meet the gram? Drake, you're the size of a grain of rice. So I'm switching topics now, back to the topic that I started with, yeah. We gotta be alone. We gotta be alone. Sometimes we're not with together. We just need to be together. Cooperate, separate. Just don't leave me like you do. The Infinity Stones is one of you. Yeah, you're my Infinity Stone. You're my private driver. You made my needs come true. You made me happy. You made me safe. You made me a good man. So please don't take yourself away from me. Yeah, this is the end of the song. By the way, all this was made up in the Drake part. Yeah, that wasn't real. Bye.